What is a procedurally generated world? A procedurally generated world refers to a game environment that is created algorithmically rather than being manually designed. This means the world is generated based on a set of rules and random factors, creating unique and dynamic environments each time you play. How does procedural generation work? Procedural generation works by using algorithms to create vast, randomized landscapes, such as terrain, weather, and in-game assets. The process uses mathematical functions, randomness, and seed values to produce environments that are different every time, without the need for massive data storage. The role of algorithms in world creation. Procedural generation algorithms utilize preset rules and randomness to generate content. These algorithms control factors like terrain height, biomes, and resource placement. Algorithms ensure that the world is both interesting and navigable, balancing randomness with structure for an enjoyable player experience. The benefits of procedural generation for developers. For developers, procedural generation reduces the amount of time and resources required to design expansive game worlds. It also allows for the creation of massive, open-world environments that are nearly impossible to handcraft manually, offering endless variety for players. How it impacts game replayability. Procedurally generated worlds enhance replayability by ensuring that no two playthroughs are exactly alike. Players can experience new landscapes, challenges, and quests in each session, providing a fresh gaming experience every time they return. This unpredictability adds to the game's longevity. Examples of games with procedurally generated worlds. Popular games like Minecraft, No Man's Sky, and The Binding of Isaac use procedural generation to create their expansive worlds. These games offer different experiences with each session, keeping the gameplay engaging and encouraging players to explore new possibilities each time. Procedural generation in open-world games. In open-world games, procedural generation is often used to create vast, immersive environments that players can explore without feeling repetitive. It can generate terrain, weather patterns, and even entire cities, creating dynamic, living worlds where the player's actions can shape the environment. How is content balance achieved in procedural worlds? While procedural generation introduces randomness, developers implement balancing mechanisms to ensure the content remains playable and engaging. This includes controlling the difficulty, resource distribution, and game objectives to prevent frustration and maintain a smooth player experience. The challenge of procedural narrative generation. One of the challenges with procedural worlds is creating a coherent narrative. While the world may be unique, crafting a compelling story within that environment requires additional design, often using procedural generation to create quests or dialogue systems that still make sense within the randomized world. Future of procedural generation in gaming. The future of procedural generation holds exciting possibilities, especially as technology improves. Enhanced algorithms could lead to more realistic worlds, complex ecosystems, and more detailed environments. With advancements in AI and machine learning, the complexity and depth of procedurally generated worlds will continue to grow.